Hey everyone, I am doing another unboxing. I might as well get them out of the way now while I feel halfway decent, right? Because I haven't been feeling good. So I got a little energy. I'm going to get these out of the way. This video is for January's Ipsy Glambag Plus. If you want to know what I got this month or more about Ipsy, stay tuned. Oh my God, you guys know I struggle with opening packages, and these are my nails, and I broke them like a couple months ago and finally got them back to the like nice length, and I don't want to break them again. And Ipsy is infamous for securing their boxes like crazy. So I just broke the little seal. It comes in this little hefty box every month, and it has the same saying on it when you open it, and the same blue egg foam. So the saying says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. When you open the little seafoam thingy, you have your little insert and a whole bunch of goodies. Now, the Ipsy Glambag Plus is full size. So far, I haven't got anything less than that. Insert says, Happy New Year, Ipster, ringing it in fierce with your January Glambag Plus. The first thing I pull out is by Vasanti, and it's a matte crush lipstick pencil in the color It's Your Mauve. And that's what the packaging looks like. I love mauve, so let's just see what this looks like. Ooh. It's a pencil. We should try this on. I have like lip balm on, let me see. I keep hitting my tripod, sorry guys. It is like super creamy and really, really nice. I'm so happy I didn't get anything that was red. Oh, I'm all over the place with lipstick. What do you guys think? I love it. Oh my God. First one in a while. I don't know if I told you guys this retailed for $23. I'm just really glad I got a lippy that I can actually use for a change. With all my boxes, I never get anything I like. It just seems like there's so much stuff in here. We'll have to count it later. All right, so this is Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub. Wow, look how big this is. Where is that in here? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? I'm trying not to look at everything and just find. Here we go. This retails for $25. And I love sugar lip scrubs made with Maui sugar crystals. Ooh, and nut oils from Hawaii. This will be nice to add to my skincare, one of my lips, because it's cold out and it's yucky. I'm trying hard not to peek. I'm just gonna stick my hand in. Just a nice size box, and I am so happy. I think it is. It's by Hey Honey. It's Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum for all skin types. All day nourishing for flawless skin in 30 mLs. This retails for $45. I've heard fabulous things about this, and I am so into skincare right now. I was really happy they gave me the 111. I got the 111 last month from them that I've been using. And this is a vitamin C booster serum. And now I got this one. This is a day one. I am going to be having so much fun with this. Yay. Before I even go on to the next thing, I'll tell you a little bit about it because I don't know that much. If we're being honest, we'll never be morning people, no matter how many hours of sleep we manage to pack in. Hey Honey's a water light serum that has all the ingredients we need to wake up our dull, tired skin in the morning. Honey extract helps brighten skin, and vitamin E acts as a barrier against free radicals all day long. If you like sleep more than time-consuming skincare routines, this serum absorbs in seconds. Okay, so I don't know why it zoomed in like that, but dun dun dun. This is one of the things they were giving away in one of the first Glambag Pluses, and I missed out on it. And I'm super, super duper excited. It's the Ophir Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. This retails for $35, and it is Absolutely gorgeous. Super duper pretty. Look at that. I don't know what it'll look like on my hand. Yeah, it's so pretty. And it's super creamy. Oh, it's like butter. You know I'm highlighting queen. I'm going to put this on now on top of what I have. And it's just, look how big that is. Like, seriously, this is the palm of my hand. It's huge. 35 bucks. Super happy. Love Ofra. I got to be coming close to the end of this box, right? I know it looked bigger than usual. And this is in bubble wrap, so I don't know what it is. At least they wrapped it up good. Love bubble wrap. I'm like a big kid. What the heck is this? Oh, it's Tokyo Milk. Dead Sexy. Deep Vanilla Exotic Wood. White Orchid Ebony in number 6. It's a perfume. Surprised. Valued for $36. I actually have my Juicy Couture Soiree on. Go back into focus. There we go. So I don't know if I could spray this on me. Let's see. That's not how you open it. I don't know how to open this. Okay. I can't spray it on me. Oh, look at that. There's a skull in there. What? This has got to be good if it's Tokyo Milk, right? It doesn't smell bad. Like I think I told you guys, I am, ever since H.L. the Great sent me what I want from her channel, I am hooked on Juicy Couture Soiree. And to run out and get a big bottle of it because like my boyfriend's hooked on it now. And I get Scentbird too. So, but I'm not allowed to wear anything other than that Juicy Couture. I keep collecting perfumes for my own personal pleasure, I guess. That was 5 things, and I'm pretty sure we're only supposed to get 5, but there's definitely more in my box. There's actually 2 things. We'll have the big thing. Okay. Ooh, where's this at in here? Yay. I need to do my sneak peeks for this more often. Looks like it's from Violet Voss. It's a mini HG eyeshadow palette. Wait a minute. Isn't HG the one we just got from Boxy Luxe? It retails for $18. This will be a giveaway. Here's the colors. Because I have the full size. No BS. So if we'll do a giveaway for this, and I will give you details on it because it's not nothing big, but it's really cool if you didn't get the one that we got in Boxy Luxe or Boxy Charm. All right, you guys. So like I wanted to pull out. I'm going to just take this bad boy out. I'm not going to swatch it because I do want to give it to somebody. I'm just confused. It's actually really cute. I wanted to see if the colors were labeled on here. And they're not. But this is the one I just got from Ipsy. This is the one I got from Boxy Charm. Different packaging, but same name. So let me see if I can match up some of these colors without swatching. Oh, yeah. Wine and Dine is in here. Cranberry Splash. Glamping. I think that's Ploof. Hashtags in here. Teddy Bear. All the good colors that you need for good eye looks are in here. I'm not going to swatch it. Stay tuned for details about this because I'll do a separate giveaway. There is something else in my box, but I forgot that this month I got an email from Ipsy saying that you could do add-ons. And there was like, I don't know how many products they had listed, but you could pick from them and add as much as you want onto your box for $12. And I know somebody, I have plenty of this in stockpile, but I know somebody that needs it. And for 12 bucks, you couldn't beat it. So it's the Dr. Brandt's Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Cream. I got this added on to my box for my mom because I wasn't willing to part with my stockpile. And she absolutely loves this. I'm going to do a video on her results with this because it really does help her. Even if I take away the add-on, why do they keep doing that? Even if I take away the add-on, we still got 6 things this month. And I can't remember. I thought for sure that we only got 5 normally. 5 full size. So This is not a full size. Maybe that's why we got 6. I don't know. Not complaining. Don't care. Love my Ipsy Glambag Plus. I did hear that they're going to stop doing the bags from one of my subscribers. I think, Lisa, you told me that. I haven't been able to look into it or find anything about it. So if anybody else has heard any more about the makeup bag that they send every 3 months, supposedly supposed to stop doing that. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I feel really repetitive right now. I'm doing boxes back to back. I have another one to do, so I will see you again real soon. Bye.